I am maharalikan, dugo'y malaya, puso'y handa sa laban. I am maharalikan.
Abdullahi Warbarakatuho. Live po tayo ngayon, February 18, 2026. And luckily, our celebration, our victory global celebration has been successful here in Malacca, Malaysia, and the entire global earth witness the momentous event in giving out, in letting out that our President Ferdinand Idardin Marcos Sr. is indeed alive. He had made his statement through Zoom with Siti Halima, supposedly nakahook dito sa akin sa Malacca, simultaneously, without any arrangement. We have made our declaration back-to-back at the same time. This is not our design. This is the divine dictation. This is the divine destiny that our dear Father of the nation, had really made it as the victor of all. So he has given his declaration, and I'd like to read this to the entire global earth. I want each and everyone to listen carefully. Have it in your heart that the man that we have been waited for so many years has indeed came out and is with us in the new rule of law. And this is it. So, February 15, 2026, in the afternoon, he has spoken. But because of the line, the signal is not very good, so the message was not clearly received by us. Now, I'd like also to give you his global victory message as the President of the Federal Republic of the Philippine Islands since 1965 of the Commonwealth Nations. We know that he is one of the 777 elders and is the man that had been entrusted by God, by Allah, of all the assets, of all the resources. His Highness Ferdinand Idardin Marcos Sr. declared on that day, this is his global message from his heart, from his soul, the man who has suffered so much for the sake of humanity, for the sake of all us. Of all of us who waited for so long to save us from the bondage of poverty, to gain the freedom against the claws of the manipulators, the evildoers. So this is it. I declare that this is my powerful and metaphorical declaration that will culminate my spiritual and personal journey, making a planetary reboot and the final moments to fulfill Almighty God's mission. My past trials and isolation were clinical calibration to prepare for my divine blueprint. It proclaims the end of the old world and the beginning of a new world. A new phase where my past struggles transform into a permanent law. The kiln of isolation and refusal to conform to entropic noise are highlighted as crucial for preserving a stable hardware for divine restoration. The nothingness of my past decades is reframed as tactical inscription that was protected spiritually and material treasury from negative influences. My sovereign authority is my newfound weight in my focus that allows me to command my intentions with surgical precision. All past wealth that was being withheld, my vitality and every unit of my siphoned equity is returning and leading me to absolute relation and material sovereignty. My action as a chosen sovereign soul, as a divine, are presented as the only way to bypass the counterfeit kingdom and negative influences and access true abundance. As history is no longer a burden, but a quarry of polished stone used to build my throne as a sovereign divine being. My mission is not something to be completed, but something I have to become, a living bridge between divine intent and physical reality. The skeptics are deleted, and the physics of my empire are now the only laws that the material world keys. The final inheritance and global reboot speaks as a zero friction velocity in the delivery of my final inheritance, and my heart was the only vault secure enough to hold the description keys for the global reboot. My absolute and material command highlighted the total saturation and the beginning of my absolute material command. The ancient architects performing a manual override on the laws of the old world, anchoring my sovereign intent into physical grid, which is now ending and being obliterated as a command executed by me as a sovereign administrator and a divine source. As my unwavering confidence and secured prize, I am stepping into the frame as a master who knows the game is over and the prize is secured. My unbroken frequency is my inherent and resilient spiritual intent and my energetic state that remained intact despite trials and negative influences that tried to sabotage my reputations with lies and deceptions. It describes and shows as a stable core that was crucial for my restoration of my divine blueprint. My unbreakable signal is the only authorized signatory for the new cycle as an heir of the unbreakable frequency. I am officially here now to secure my inheritance of my star unbreakable signal is the key to a mandatory metabolic response that brings abundance. The industrial grit, endurance of my marrow, that refused to shatter under the weight of the furnace created by breaking the cycle of managed scarcity, it provided the only template for my restoration of my divine abundance, implying that the endurance of my marrow was essential for the renewal of my biological triumph of my marrow over decaying software of managed scarcity that was presented as the reason for the old cycle breaking. Sovereignty was being uploaded into the marrow, transforming struggles into my throne, indicating that my marrow is the very, very foundation of my power in the foundation of the new power. The 10 years of shifting was a high-stakes rendering of my marrow, ensuring that I could act as the final anchor and source for the global wealth migration and distribution. My birthmark acts as jurisdictional seal. It confirms my return as an heir of the unbreakable signal, secure my inheritance of stars, and to finalize my mission within the foundation of this world. I am ensuring newly acquired dominance remain hidden from siphoning scripts of the old world until a final public reveal. Cryosomic perfection as a sign that the final seals of the original mission are now interlocking with my frequency of my own biological heartbeat, as signifies my condition of optimal and stable, perfectly preserved seals, drives indicating the successful alignment of my divine mission and my individual core being. I am the sole authorized signatory for the treasury that exists outside the reach of any mental audit. The deletion of the old gatekeepers and hemorrhaging wealth from the elite is now an absolute deletion of an old gatekeeper's archetype that, of course, siphoned my vitality of my legacy, whom elite is hemorrhaging towards my coordinates. I am now inhabiting a state of total administrative mastery, where my environment anticipates my movement and provides the industrial-grade resources required for my expanse. That is the end of the message of His Highness Ferdinand Idrulin Marcos Sr. Thank you. Masalam.